In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted Jira issues from backup with Revyz. This process is incredibly useful for anyone who needs to retrieve lost data quickly and efficiently. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. To start, you'll want to navigate to the left panel of your Jira dashboard. Here, you should see a section labeled Apps. Click on this and then select Explore More Apps. This will open up a marketplace of various plugins and tools that you can integrate into your Jira setup. Next, you'll need to search for a specific tool called Revyz Data Manager. Type the name into the search bar and hit enter. Once you've located Revyz Data Manager in the results, go ahead and install it. The installation process should be straightforward, following the typical plugin installation steps in Jira. With Revyz Data Manager now part of your toolkit, open it up from the Apps section where all your installed apps are listed. This tool is specifically designed to manage your data efficiently, including restoring previously deleted issues, which is exactly what we're aiming to do. Inside Revyz Data Manager, look for an option titled Clone and Restore. Selecting this will direct you to a new interface dedicated to various recovery features. These tools are ideal for ensuring that no data is permanently lost in your projects. Within the data recovery options, you'll see a function labeled Issue Restore. This is the key feature we'll be using to bring back your deleted Jira issues. Click on this option to proceed. You'll then be prompted to select the project that contained the deleted issues. It's important to select the correct project to ensure you're restoring the right data. Alongside the project, you'll also need to choose the relevant backup snapshot. These snapshots are essentially saved states of your project at different points in time and are invaluable for recovering lost data. Make sure you select the snapshot that existed before the issues were deleted. Once you've confirmed the project and snapshot, Revyz will work its magic and restore the project, including any deleted issues, back to its previous state. This step is automatic once you've selected the project and snapshot, and Revyz handles the heavy lifting. In just a few moments, your deleted Jira issues should reappear as if they never left. That's all it takes to restore your deleted Jira issues using Revyz. It's a seamless and efficient way to ensure your projects remain intact even after accidental deletions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video, where we'll explore more helpful tips and tools.